In this video, I will show you how you can check if your Samsung tablet is original or fake. For the first method, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on About Tablet. And over here, you will find the IMEI number of your tablet. Now just compare the IMEI number on the screen to the IMEI number which is given on the box of your tablet, and make sure that they are both the same. Now this was the first method. For the second method, just tap and hold on the IMEI number until you copy it. After that, just go to your home screen and open the web browser app on your tablet. Now in the search bar, just search this. Then open this website. Now in this search bar, just paste the IMEI number which we have copied earlier. After that, just tap on Check IMEI. Now as you can see, it has given us the model number, the model name, the carrier, and the production date of our tablet. And it also has given us the warranty start date and the warranty end date. Now just make sure that all the data shown over here are accurate. If the specs shown over here are accurate to your tablet, then this indicates that your tablet is original. Otherwise, your tablet might be fake. And this is how you can check if your Samsung tablet is original or fake. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.